If you're wondering whether Teamgate or Insightly is better for project management, you're in the right place. Both CRM platforms have their strengths, but which one truly delivers what project managers need? In this comparison, I'll break down what you can expect from each software, weigh their pros and cons, and ultimately give you my recommendation. Stick around because you might just find a surprise alternative that works even better. Let's start with Teamgate. The first thing you'll notice about Teamgate is its user-friendly interface. It's designed for sales teams, but also has robust project management features like task tracking and collaboration tools. It integrates with tools like Slack and Google Calendar, making it easy to stay connected with your team and manage workflows. Next thing to consider is Insightly. Insightly also offers a clean interface, but tends to focus more on the CRM side of things. It's designed to be an all-in-one tool, allowing users to manage both customer relationships and projects seamlessly. It also supports integrations with other popular platforms like Microsoft Office and MailChimp, but its project management features aren't as intuitive as Teamgate's. The third thing to highlight is the reporting capabilities. Teamgate offers a solid set of reporting tools that can generate detailed sales reports and track project milestones. However, it lacks in-depth customization options for reports, which might limit its usefulness for some teams. Now, with Insightly, the reporting feature is more comprehensive. You get more flexibility in customizing your reports, which can be a game changer for teams who need detailed insights. But while Insightly shines in reporting, its project management features are still relatively basic. It's more of a CRM tool with some project management capabilities, while Teamgate is more focused on bridging the gap between sales and project execution. The next thing to discuss is pricing. Teamgate has a more affordable entry-level plan, which makes it a solid option for smaller teams. However, as your needs grow, you'll find that the higher tier plans can become quite expensive, especially when you add advanced reporting features. On the other hand, Insightly's pricing is a bit steeper from the get-go, but it offers more flexibility with its plans. However, if you're primarily using it for project management, you might end up paying for features you don't need. The fourth thing to mention is the customer support offered by both platforms. Teamgate provides decent customer support, but some users have reported longer response times. Insightly, on the other hand, has a more robust support system, offering live chat, email support, and a solid knowledge base. Lastly, while both platforms serve their purpose, there's one clear issue with both. Nita really excels in managing complex projects. Sure, they're great for simple workflows, but once you start dealing with larger teams or more intricate projects, you might start feeling the limitations. So, if you're looking for a CRM that works well for both project management and team collaboration, you might want to consider another option. After testing both Teamgate and Insightly, I found that there's a better alternative that could really change the game for project managers. If you're serious about finding the best tool for managing projects, check out the link in the description for a free trial of a top alternative. Trust me, it offers a more intuitive and feature-packed solution for project management, and through our link, you'll get exclusive access to the best free trial available.